Hey guys, it's Aaron with Reinhardt Racing. Today, we're going to show you how to change the baffles out in your Reinhardt mufflers. Alright guys, first step, as always, is going to be take your saddlebags off. Now we got our bags off, the crucial next step is open yourself a cold one and reward yourself for getting your bags off. No, but for real, the next step is going to be to take our end caps off. The 4-inch mufflers have 3 screws, 4.5s will have 2 screws. All of our newer mufflers, the baffle and the end cap are bolted together, so everything will come out in one piece. Some of the older mufflers, the end cap will just come off by itself. We'll start that now. All right guys, once you get your screws out, you're gonna wanna grab a hold of this end cap, give it a twist, break it loose, and then work it out. If it doesn't wanna come, grab a strap wrench, twist on it a little bit. Don't hit it with a screwdriver, you're gonna end up messing your end caps up. So we're gonna get this one. There it is. It'll come out just like that. All right guys, once you've got this out of the muffler, your next step is gonna be to take these 3 screws out of this ring. The 4.5 inch will have a little bit longer screw, and we'll put new screws in your hardware kit. But we'll start by taking these out. Once you get it loose, you want to save the ring for your new baffle. Place that back in the end cap. The 4.5s, it's just going to set in the little ridge on the inside of the end cap. I'm going to set this back down on here and reinstall our screws. We're just gonna snug these for now. Once you get all 3 of them snug, you just wanna take a look and make sure your gap around here is even all the way around. Now we're ready to slide this back in the mufflers. If you do have chrome end caps, we recommend putting a small bead of high temp silicone RTV right inside the lip of the muffler. You don't need a lot, a little goes a long way, and all you want to do is seal that gap so the exhaust gas doesn't discolor your chrome end caps. But we're going to slide this in. There's an inlet up front. You'll find it, go over that, line your end cap holes up, and then reinstall our screws. All right, next step is going to be to wipe these end caps down. If you've got any RTV or anything on the outside of it, be sure and get that off. If you've got any grease on your end caps, make sure you clean that off too so it doesn't get baked on. All right guys, that's it for the baffle install. If you got any questions, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out. We'll see you next time.